Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone. Let me introduce myself. My name is Putro Balqis Nasyiwa. I'm from class 1G. And today, I will perform a storytelling to all of you. The title is The Mouse Deer and the Tiger. Once, a mouse deer approached a river for some drink. But the mouse deer was confronted by a tiger. Desperate to escape, the mouse deer made a clever plan. The mouse deer claimed that he had a mighty king who rivaled the tiger's strength. Fooled by the mouse deer's lie, the tiger agreed to meet the mighty king of the mouse deer. The mouse deer then guided the tiger to the river and pointed to the tiger's reflection on the water surface, claiming that was the mighty king who rivaled the tiger. Fooled by his own reflection, the tiger leaped into the water to fight. Seizing the opportunity, the mouse deer escaped from the tiger. Realizing he'd been deceived, the tiger felt very humiliated. The tiger then went on to search for the mouse deer, but it escaped. Then the tiger learned a valuable lesson about pride and caution. And so, the mouse deer continued to outsmart danger, while the tiger learned a lesson and how to be wiser about deception. Well, I'm sorry if my grammar is bad, but thank you for listening and thank you for your all attention. Wabillahi taufiq wal hidayah. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.